The Purple Line of the Chicago L is a 3.9-mile route on the northernmost section of the system. Normally, it extends south from Linden and Wilmette, passing through Evanston to Howard, on Chicago's north side. In 2016, the average weekday boardings on the Purple Line was 10,187. It is the shortest route in the CTA rail system. During weekday rush hours, the Purple Line extends another 10.3 miles south from Howard to downtown Chicago, running express from Howard to Belmont, with a single stop at Wilson, and then making all local stops to the loop. The express service is known as the Purple Line Express or the Evanston Express. Prior to the color coding of CTA rail lines in 1993, the Purple Line was known as the Evanston Line, Evanston Service or Evanston Shuttle, and the Purple Line Express was called the Evanston Express. The Purple Line is useful for reaching Northwestern University, Foster and Noyes stops in Evanston, including the sports facilities Ryan Field, Rocky Miller Park, Welsh Ryan Arena, and Canal Shores Golf Course, all at the central stop, and the Baha'i House of Worship at Linden. The selection of purple as the line's color was likely from Northwestern's official school color. The Purple Line is operated with the Bombardier-built 5000 series railcars. Until late May 2014, the 2400 series cars were also assigned to the line. For the entire 2000s and early 2010s, the Purple Line fleet consisted entirely, or nearly entirely, of 2400 series cars. In spring 2007, small numbers of 3200 series railcars were transferred to the line, replacing the 2600 series railcars transferred to other lines. The 3200 series cars have since been returned to their original line assignments. The 2600 series cars were officially assigned to the line until early January 2013, when they were transferred to the red and blue lines. However, beginning in October 2013, CTA has started to reassign the 2600 series cars back to the line as they get displaced by the new Bombardier-built 5000 series cars on the red line. Beginning in April 2014, CTA has started to assign some Bombardier-built 5000 series cars to the line. On May 21, 2014, the last 2400 series cars were removed from service from the line. The 2600 series cars were removed from service from the line on March 21, 2015. The Purple Line run with 6 cars during weekday rush hours and 4 cars at other times on weekdays and all day on weekends. Occasionally, the Purple Line borrows cars from the Red Line when short on cars. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like our Facebook pages.